What's up everyone, we're back and today we have the brand new Apple AirTags and we have the 4-pack right here. I've had these AirTags for over 2 months now and I've only tagged one to my car keys so far. One 4-pack actually comes in 2 packages of 2 AirTags each. So I cut them up so it's easier to see. So we have 2 over here and we have the other 2 over here. And it's super simple to use. You just have to remove the plastic, which I already did. Then it's automatically going to be detected by your phone. It's that simple. Essentially, I was first worried that it wouldn't function properly here in the Philippines since I thought this would be a US-only product. But it seems to be functioning properly after I set up everything. And as I mentioned earlier, I've had this for over 2 months now and I haven't really gotten to use them or I haven't been put to the situation wherein I'm forced to use an AirTag because I lost something. Whenever you need to use an AirTag, it really means that you actually misplaced something or you're losing something. So if you're the type of person who actually misplaces their gadgets on an everyday basis, your car keys, your wallet, or something like that, then I guess this is gonna be an everyday type of gadget for you. For now though, I think we can just do a basic review of my favorite features and what you'd actually expect from your AirTags. Then afterwards, I got a bunch of cases here from Uniq, which we can try on since I think they look absolutely clean. So let's get started. I think the first thing that I actually really like about the AirTags is the easy setup. As I mentioned earlier, it comes in a plastic wrap, just like this one. And I won't remove it yet since I'm not about to use it. But the moment you unwrap this plastic wrap, it's actually really simple to set up. You just have to make sure that it's right beside your phone and it would pair up just like your AirTags, and that's because of the special chip that's inside the AirTags. So next, something I find really cool about these AirTags is the NFC tag that's built in them. So whether you're on Android or on Apple, whenever you see an AirTag lying around with your phone, you can simply just tap the AirTag and it would automatically lead you to this website of the actual AirTag owner. So if you happen to see an AirTag lying around which isn't yours, there's actually a specific ID that's tagged to the AirTag which you'd be able to find once you tap your phone into it. So I find that to be really useful. So besides actually being able to track our AirTags nearby wherein they show like this map, what I actually bought the AirTag for is because of its precision finding. So it opens up this sort of compass looking thing wherein it actually allows you to navigate the exact direction of the AirTag, which is really cool. Through the U1 chip, it actually makes use of the camera, the gyroscope, the AR kit of your iPhone, and it actually helps you find the exact location of your AirTag. So whether it's deep in your bag or deep within the sofa, I think you'd be able to find it, and that's how Apple actually advertises it, helping you find the exact precise location of the AirTag. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for my favorite features of the AirTags. And what I find really exciting about the AirTags is the accessories that it comes with. So we have a bunch of accessories here, and whenever we're attaching our AirTags to the items that we use daily, such as our house keys, our car keys, our bags, our wallets, these are types of items that are banged out a lot and it tends to get scratched. So we wouldn't want our AirTags to be scratched. So we have a bunch of cases here from Uniq and we can go through it one by one. I'll put them on the AirTag so that you guys can actually see the design and the overall functionality of each of the different cases that we have. So we can get started off with the first one that we have here. This is the glaze, and as we can see from the packaging, this is going to be a clear case. We have it in 2 colors, black and white. This is sort of a smoked option compared to this one, which is absolutely clear. And this is a 360-degree shield for your AirTag. Right, so let's check it out. So this is our first AirTag case. This is the glaze option and we have it here in clear. We have the smoke option here as well. And it's pretty simple. I think it's here to actually show and showcase the design of the AirTags. So this is the case. And we have a carabiner here that actually helps you attach it to your keys, your wallet. Easy attachment. You just have to push and it's so easy to tag to any of your keychains. So we can put on one AirTag. So here we have it, looks clean. As I mentioned earlier, it showcases the design of the AirTags. But that's pretty much it. Simple, and I think it just gets the job done. Entire AirTags actually covered. Like what I mentioned earlier, whenever we're carrying it with our daily items, we'd want it covered. So the 360-degree protect actually doing its job really nicely. So let's check out the smoked option for the glaze. I think this would fit my car keys really well. Ooh, I really like this black option. I think it would go well with almost all of my items since most of my bags, my keys are all black. So I'm definitely gonna be using this first. That's it for our glaze cases. Next up, we have the Lino line. So as we can see here, we have 2 colors for the Lino line of the Uniq AirTag cases. Over here on our right side, we have the dim gray option. And I think, again, this is my vibe. And over here on the left, we have the lavender, which actually looks really cool as well. And these are premium silicone cases, so let's open them up. So let's start with the dim gray option. Ooh. Something special about this other AirTag case is that they actually give you two sort of like screen protectors that you put onto the AirTag, since both of the sides will be exposed. Unlike the other glaze option where it had a 360-degree protect shield, this one will be exposed, so Uniq thought of giving you guys AirTag protectors to protect the scratchable sides of the AirTag. So right off the bat, what I really like about this one is it's really smooth texture. You can just feel that this is one of their more premium products, since this has a premium silicone case and it's really soft, really smooth, and I think it would just fit the AirTag perfectly. So let's try it on. Here we have the dim gray option. Put our AirTag on it and it looks really clean. Very simple case. I just like the feeling of the silicone. Feels really smooth, it's really flexible, so it's not the type of keychain to really break. We can try out the lavender next. And you know what? These AirTag cases are really easy to remove, so if you feel like changing it on an everyday basis, it's really gonna be a breeze, wherein you can just have a different design every single day if you're that type of person. Anyways, this is the lavender option. Again, we just have to slide our AirTags in. Notice how it really has this snug fit on the AirTag. It won't be flying away. So that's it for our Lino line, and it's kind of getting messy over here, so we can file them here on the side first. So finally, this is the one that I'm most excited for. This is the Domus line, and we have leather cases over here. Looks really premium. Looks super classy if you ask me. So over here on the right, we have the saddle brown, and here on the left, we have the black leather option. So we can check them both out. So again, I think these cases are actually exposing the AirTag, and they're giving us protective film once again, as mentioned in the box. So let's open them right up. So this has got to be my favorite one yet. Looks so professional, looks very businessy, and you just have like stitches here at the bottom, which I really like. I'm into those little type of details. I'm really keen about that. Unbutton it and insert our AirTag. So this AirTag case is actually only exposing one side, and we can add our AirTag protector just to keep it safe. Woo! Looks so nice. And unlike the other cases that we reviewed over there, I think this one was actually the easiest one to put on, since it had this button that was really easy to just unbutton and insert the AirTag in. 10 out of 10 for this Domus case. So here we have the saddle brown option. It looks even better than the black. So let's take this out. And just a side note, before we actually take a look at this brown one, their branding actually matches the actual product. So what you see is what you get. So that's an A+ for me. No false advertising over there. So let's check it out. We have it over here in brown, saddle brown. Looks so clean for my brand new AirTags. 10 out of 10 for the Domus line. I think this is my favorite among all. But of course, the glaze and the Lino options are actually really nice as well, depending on your vibe. Whether if you're putting it on a sports bag, then I super suggest the silicone option, which is the Lino line. If you want something more minimal, then the glaze is definitely a good bet. If you're putting it in your briefcase or something like that, then the Domus line definitely one to look out for. But other than that, I think this is pretty much it for this video. I think I'm a big fan of the Apple AirTags. I hope I don't use them anytime soon, because it means that I'm losing something. But I'm glad that it could actually be easily found in the case that I actually do lose my AirTags. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button down there, and see you in the next one.